Greetings, I'm Herschel. I use the word greetings because that's the first word you see on the draft notice, and I received one of those from Lyndon Johnson, President, invited me to the Vietnam War. I was part of the Health and Wellness Management Program. I started the program in December 17. I take one course a semester. I've been inspired by the program to learn new health and wellness management expertise so that I may mitigate any early onset in my young age of 76 years old. And I share these information with my peers in various aging groups. That is my passion and concern for belonging to this program. And I'm completely outlined in a recent newsletter on April 19th that was published by the University of Wisconsin by Caitlin Martin. I humbly submit that newsletter for outlining all my concerns about the program.